Hey there, it's Azure Greg here. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a PowerPoint feature called Rehearse with Coach. Now this feature of PowerPoint allows you to rehearse a talk and it scores you on timings, etc. Okay, so if I open up a web browser and browse to office.com and then I click sign in, and go ahead and enter my login credentials. Now I need to click on Upload and Open. I then browse my laptop to find my PowerPoint presentation. And this will then upload to office.com and open up the presentation for me. Let all of the slides load and then choose slideshow from the menu and then choose rehearse with coach. PowerPoint will then ask you for access to your microphone, so select allow. Then select start recording and you're off and running. So here I'm going to begin a mock presentation just to show you the features as I use Rehearse with Coach. Hello and welcome to my new talk on Supercharge Your Azure Learning. My name is Greg Sutty, aka Azure Greg. So here's a little bit about me. So if I start reading the slides, 20 plus years experience as a developer, Head of Development for SOD IT in Glasgow, co-organised the Glasgow Azure User Group. So you'll see down in the bottom right hand side, it's trying to avoid reading the slides. If I start saying with the pitch and fillers, you can see examples of that. And let me just continue a little bit further. My personal blog is gregersutty.com. I'm a Microsoft MVP in Azure. Here I'm talking too fast, so I need to slow down. And once I finish, I can press escape. And there is a rehearsal report. So from within the rehearsal report, we can see a summary. Total time spent, 49 seconds. Slides rehearsed, 3. I can see the pace. That shows how many words per minute. So currently that's 145, which is obviously far too high. So you can see originality. Try and avoid simply reading the slide. Here are the slides you might want to work on. I can see the pitch of my voice. And lastly, I can see fillers, which I need to work on to remove them so I sound more polished and confident. And that is PowerPoint Rehearse with Coach.